Good morning, Florida. Or should I say good morning, Frolida? That's right, folks. The Sunshine State has been transformed into a winter wonderland. Snow, glorious, fluffy snow, has blanketed the entire state from Miami to Key West. And the wildlife? Well, let's just say it's interesting. Penguins are now enjoying a seafood buffet at the world-famous Fontainebleau. Elves, bless their cotton socks, are attempting to deliver presents to bewildered alligators. And in a truly bizarre turn of events, the abominable snowman has been spotted attempting to sunbathe on South Beach. Local residents are understandably confused. "I moved here to escape the cold," one bewildered tourist exclaimed. "Now I'm shivering in my own backyard." The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning, advising residents to stay indoors, wear sunscreen, and avoid feeding the stray reindeer. This is Alicia Hinson reporting for Not the News. Back to you in the studio, where I'm sure they're enjoying a nice warm cup of, well, I don't know what they're drinking, but it's probably not iced tea. Disclaimer, this is a satirical news report and should not be taken seriously.